Hey, let me ask you a question real quick. Do you take your halo with you when you go out anywhere in your car? No, I'm not talking about the one up here like a guardian angel or anything, but this thing pretty much is like a guardian angel for your car in two very important ways. Let me show you what I'm talking about really quick. Now there's nothing worse than getting stranded with a flat tire or going to start your car and the battery is dead. That's why I mentioned the halo. This is the halo bolt. It's got chargers, plugins for other attachments, and my favorite one today that saved me a tire inflator. This little bag. And for people who aren't very knowledgeable with the stuff, it has directions on how to jump start your car on the bag. This right here plugs into here, and then you got your positive and negative to hook to your battery to jump start your car. Also in the bag, that then plugs into the unit itself. You got a car adapter for your cigarette lighter, and then the chargers in the house. Got the halo. So you can pick these up for around $120 for the one with the tire inflator, and they also have one without the tire inflator. But I really recommend getting the one with the tire inflator. It's gonna count up. Already at 20 psi. We're at 29%. Now. Hardly killed the battery. This thing's great. Got it airing up. I'm not going to bore you guys making you watch this thing air up my tire. When it's done, I'll come back in and we'll talk a little bit more about the halo. So the halo bolt, the halo air bolt, or you can get the one that's just the halo bolt. I recommend picking up the halo air bolt and spending a little bit more on a nicer gadget. Does more. More is better, especially when it comes to messing with a stranded vehicle on the road. It wasn't fully charged when I started doing this, and we're only at 44%. It did get pretty warm. It's still pretty warm. It does have the warning lights. So if you're on the side of the road at night, it's a pretty cool unit. I do like the blue carbon fiber, but it would be cooler for me if they had a lime green carbon fiber. It's a pretty cool little unit here, and it'd be nice to thing as a gift for someone for Christmas or for yourself, and just keep it in your car. I mean, you can charge anything here. That's to jump start your car. And I've seen this thing in action jump start a car. Battery was dead. This thing was hooked to it, and all they did was hit this button right here, and the car started right up. I think you can get these on Amazon. This one's like 120, 130 bucks to air up my tire from after it was all said and done. After putting the patch in it, I started out at 18 psi on the tire. I needed to air it up to 44 psi, the recommendation for that tire, and it took about 15 minutes. I mean, yeah, it took a little bit of time compared to a normal big compressor, but for something this size, that you take with you in your car that can be charged just at home. This price beats the price of having your vehicle towed and then having somebody fix your tire on top of it. Towing prices ain't cheap. This thing's 120 bucks. And if you know how to patch the hole in your tire like I did, which I do have a video for that here. These are like 15 bucks I think at Automotive. And then the kits you get, and you get the tools. Never taken away from the Halo bolt. Pick this thing up, it's awesome. You won't regret it. It's a little pricey for some people, but I'm telling you right now it is worth it and you will love it. And it would be good to have in your car. So check them out, Halo bolt, Halo Air bolt, preferably. And if you guys are listening at Halo, can you get me a green? Lime green? I love lime green. Lime green. It's my thing, okay? Pick it up. It's awesome. We'll catch you in the next video.